Hi. I don't know if you can hear that, and if the phone's a little shaky, it's actually my whole van rocking because it's very windy. I finally got up out of bed at 6:30. I'd been lying there awake for a while and got woken up so many times last night because of the wind. Apparently, there's a storm. I woke when I finally got up. I was like, this is ridiculous. So I googled, and there is currently a windstorm. Apparently, there's huge waves. Oops, on the that wasn't the wind. That was just me. Huge winds on the coast, which winds. Well, there's winds, which is also causing huge waves. And there is rumor that there is going to be a shit ton of snow. That displeases me because we've had a somewhat mild winter. There was a couple of weeks there where it was absolutely horrible. So as soon as it's sun up and the wind is down a bit, I'm moving closer to work so that if I get snowed in, I can just slush my way to work and not be too far. So apparently the winds are getting up to 80 to 100 kilometers an hour. I have no idea what that is in miles. I apologize. But the van keeps rocking and things keep knocking. It's not as fun as I thought it would be. So I thought I'd wake up, check the news. Apparently it's meant to die down by lunchtime. But let's see if we can trust the weather people. I'm trying to remember if I'm parked under any big trees. Don't think so, and I think they're pretty well maintained here because I'm at a park at the moment, and the park always looks really neat and tidy, so I think the trees are okay. Fingers crossed. Oh, there's more sirens. That's the second set I've heard since I've been up and out of bed, which is probably half an hour now because I've tried doing this video a couple times and got off track. Anyway, I've deleted all my past videos. I did pop one up yesterday, which was an old one. I think it was about the massive wetness I had in the front there, which I still have. There is something in the bottom of my sleeping bag. I think it's a tissue. Sleeping bag has been the best investment. It's been amazing. I'm not exactly cold right now, but the wind outside makes my brain think, oh, it's freezing. But I'm not getting any. Every now and then I feel a little bit, but the wind has actually suctioned up the plastic that I have covering one of my fans, so it sealed it off nicely. Later, if I do have to put some heating on, I gotta remember to crack that open because that's one of my main airflows. I have the two front windows open, but that's kind of all covered off by all my blankets and stuff there that you can't really see in this light. So it's windy. I'm up. Oh, sorry, every time I pause like that, it's when there's a big gust, and I don't know if you can hear it or if it just looks like I'm losing it, which is a bit of both anyway. So later, when I move the car, I'll check out on the park to see if there's stuff around, and if it's a big mess, I'll take a recording of that just to see how windy it was. I'm expecting there to be like chairs and stuff all over the place because it's very windy. Apparently down in the ocean are the huge waves, and there's meant to be snow coming. I probably already said that, but I'm displeased. So I will make my way closer to work Actually, if the wind does die down and stays down, I'll go to the gym first and shower up, because I don't particularly want to trek all the way this way to get to the shower. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Maybe the snow won't fall down here. It'll stay in the mountains. Fingers crossed. Because there was like a mention of 50 centimeters or something. So really hope that's like in the mountains. Great for the people that love to ski. I don't like that. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off. I have been awake for a while now, even though I didn't get up until then. So I'm gonna get some breakfast. No hot breakfast this morning. There's no way I'm getting the propane going when the van's rocking like this. So it was a cold breakfast this morning. That's fine. Anyway, have a good one. Ciao.